I want to be able to do my style, live my life in the way that I want to live it. And if there's an equal option, I take it. And it makes me really excited to be able to know that there are designers out there that are able to create collections that are this beautiful, well-made, super tailored, and the craftsmanship is really incredible. I really loved all the pieces. They were all really sophisticated and glamorous and sleek, but I could picture myself wearing most of them.
Several pieces in the show that I would love to have. Some of the dresses. There was a dress that was kind of a taupe and a black with a cutout on top. It was fierce.
The models are stunning. The clothes on the models are great. The fabrics were amazing. They're not fabrics I'm really used to seeing, and I think that the felt is amazing.
Eco-friendly fashion now is turning into more of a mainstream than a niche. I really want to continue to build a line to influence things other than just having a brand.